Hey everyone, this is Mr. Herbst here at Carterville Junior High. I'm just doing a quick tutorial of how to log into Skyward. Really easy, shouldn't take us long at all. One of the first things you want to do, there's a couple of different ways you can get to Skyward, but the easiest is through our school website. That's simply cartervillelions.org. You can also just Google Carterville Lions, and it'll usually be the first one that'll pop up, Carterville CUSD number 5. That's us. When you get to our home screen here, there will be a number of different links here at the top, but there's also some of these quick links down the side, and that's where you'll want to pay attention. Down here on the quick links, you'll see Skyward Family Access, and that is what we want there. When you get to this screen or this point, I would highly recommend bookmarking this screen. If you're using Google Chrome, it's simply just hitting the star button. You can see I have bookmarked it here. That way it's always on my main screen. When you get to this point, you'll want to plug in your login ID and password. Now, our Carterville Junior High students and high school students all have their own logins that they should have received from one of their teachers. If they've forgotten it, they can easily access that from the office. Let's go ahead and log in here. Once you have your information typed in, you can hit sign in. Now, my information screen is going to look a little different than everyone else's. However, I took a screenshot of what a student screen would look like, and I have it here. You'll notice down the side there's 3 tabs, a home tab, a calendar, and a grade book. That grade book is where students will see their grades, so it's really simple to click that, and then you'll have your grades all right there. You can also see that this particular student had a message from Mrs. Norrington, our band instructor, and that is there in the center of that. Calendar will be our school calendar, and then there's also some different settings up here at the top where you can see there's a My Account, some email history, and exit. That My Account, there's different settings you can set up. As a parent, you can even set up personal emails to be sent out once a week to where your students' grades will be sent directly to your email. I know sometimes it's inconvenient to get into Skyward, so if you want an easy way to have your students' grades sent to you in that My Account, in your settings there, you can easily have your students' grades sent to you weekly via email. Let me get out of this. I know, again, mine looks a little different, but that is the basics of how to log into Skyward. Thanks for checking out the video.